Hello. Here we go. Jean Simmons is coming on pretty well. Yesterday I showed you how I had done one bit to let you see, and I was sort of explaining it. So I've now got the other bit done. Did it last night. I think they look pretty even actually. I was sort of concerned that you could do one bit and then not get the other bit sort of the same, but it's not bad. And what I should have said yesterday is there are 7 loops at the start. At the first row there was 7 smaller loops I started with. Okay, so 7 of those took me round the shoe, but it wouldn't matter as long as you do both the same on the same. And all my bits and pieces, my knots and things are all in there behind his knees, so he looks okay. Now the face, okay, so what I've decided to do with the face is use felt, because I couldn't get the piece knit properly, anyway. So what I've done is I've made a little felt template. All right, I'll put this on the pattern. So do you remember yesterday we had 2 black lines and I had stitched them, if you look back in the video from before. So there was 2 black lines sitting. So basically this length here, the straight length here, is the length of this. Now look at him, I put them on like that, but you could have alternatively put them on facing up the ways, which might have made him look happier. But anyway, I didn't, and I should have, because I looked at him and thought he looks a bit miserable, but that's why. Anyway, doesn't matter. Next one I'll maybe do it the other way around. Okay, so first thing you do is you draw out your template of your little piece that you need for your felt. And whenever you just get black felt, and this is only cheap black felt, and you set it on the black felt and you cut round it, and you cut 2 pieces the same. But whenever you put it on, first of all, that way, right, so if I show you, if I put it on that way, right, so that eye, okay, when I'm doing the other eye I need to flip it over to do the other eye, and then that means you get both eyes exactly the same. Okay, so that's the black part. So you cut out 2 pieces. Then I cut out 2 little ovals out of just a little piece of scrap white. All right, and then 2 little circles. Now I got the 2 little circles, I don't know whether you can see in my, let me see if I can see. Can you see there? Okay. Do you know, like an old-fashioned hole punch, and it just made 2 perfect circles because I was trying to cut them and it wouldn't work. Before I stitch them on the face, I sort of layer them up. First of all, I put the white on, and I did use a little bit of fabric glue, but I also then stitched it. Then I used a little bit of fabric glue on the black, but then I stitched it too with some black. The white I stitched obviously using a white thread so as you wouldn't see it, and then the black I stitched through a black, and I brought my thread out to here. Okay, I put a little bit of fabric glue. Now the fabric glue just holds it in place, but it's not great for all those wee bits, so actually I put the fabric glue on and put it into place, and then I stitched very carefully round my side. Okay, so that's how I got my eyes, and the slant of the nose, if you look back on the video, is where I had stitched a couple of wee black lines marking the nose. And then of course Jean Simmons is very famous for his big long tongue, which he can curl up at the end. So you have to shape it. So stitch the tongue on. And I also then, when I made the face, I'd only put in 1 line, but I actually put another line and I extended his mouth a wee bit because I thought it just looked a wee bit better. So that's more or less the face done. We're getting there. Next job will be the hair. So I'm going to go away, I'm going to do the hair, and his hair is, he has like a tuft out the top, like a little fountain, you know, that you'd put on a child, a little black, and then a bit of long hair. So that's basically the face, and he's looking pretty good. I'll hold him back for you. He's looking pretty good. He gets his hair on, he'll be fantastic. And then we're going to make the guitar, and the guitar is made out of felt again. I might have a go at knitting one and adding it to the pattern, but I'm not sure. The felt guitar is pretty good, and I'm going to give you instructions. And in the pattern, I will put the template for the guitar and the little felt part for his eyes. I'll put those in the pattern, so it'll be a matter of you tracing them. I'll explain how you do that. Okay.